Hello everyone, this module is all about zip and city master. This module will fetch city, country and state data automatically by the zip code. So we go into the context, we go into the configuration and here we have fetch state in which we go into the zip and we will create one new zip code. So and we will assign a city over here. When we save it, city and the zip code is created, then we go into the zip and we go into the city. And here we can see city is created. We go into the city and we will assign the state and we will save it. So now our city and the zip is created. Then we go into the contact and in contact we go into the Doris Chloe. And as we can see, city, state, zip code and country is empty right now. We will go into the zip code and we will assign a zip code which we have created. This what is 310004 and we can see state, country and the city is automatically fetched. And if we want to change this address or state from here, as per the base flow we can change, but in our module we can only change by the zip code. If we try to change through the state, it will show the validation error. And also this will be automatically saved over the employee smart button, in which we can go into the private information and here you can see that the city, state, and the country is automatically saved. We can change from here also, but only by the zip code. Let's suppose I give 36005, and you can see Rajkot city and the country is change over here. We will save it, and we can see like here also that it is changed. So this is all about this module. If you have any query regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you and have a great day. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe.